of like dirt on the bedding. One would hope that your bedding was clean. Plugs are scarce. New chairs they've had the last couple of years, which again, a few little marks on. Here we are, number 6. So let's go on inside. Got some spare towels. Not for us. Look at that, there we are. Right, let's have a look around. So this is the gold apartment, as I've mentioned. This is the master bedroom. Now, as you can see, this is how we've found it. It's Butlins standard, isn't it? I mean, the one thing that's kind of annoyed me a little bit is like just a little bit of like dirt on the bedding. One would hope that your bedding was clean, you know, especially after it's just been an adult break, but there we go. So you can see that no plugs down the side, but yeah, it's minor. This is the gold, so it comes with the TV, if you can see it. And then behind here we've got the wardrobe where we've popped the suitcases, got an iron and a safe. Nothing in there, is there? Damn it. Hey, worth a look. Close that up and come on out. Got some clothes pegs to put your stuff on. So this is the twin room. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment in this one with a little wardrobe. Some more towels in there, the boy's bag, and just a few people I've seen mentioned online. It's the windows. They do automatically lock, so you can't get out. They do have a little tab you can press on either side, which allows you to open the windows up fully. Which obviously, if you're on a 2nd or 3rd floor, is a bit of a risk for your children, but as long as they haven't figured out how to open that catch. So we're heading to the living room. As you can see, we've got the sort of typical Butlins new chairs they've had the last couple of years, which again, a few little marks on, but Butlins, you know, you're not paying thousands of pounds for a holiday here. You're paying peanuts, so what can you know? It's the holiday you make it, isn't it? It's not necessarily everything else. This is your kitchen. Now, we kind of booked thinking that there was going to be a dishwasher, but apparently they've not had them for a while, so that would be where your dishwasher went, but not anymore. The one thing we have noticed is plugs are scarce. So there's 2 in the living room, 2 in the kitchen there, 2 in the kitchen over there. And then I'm guessing there's obviously one somewhere on the back of the telly. 2 down there for the telly. So they are a bit scarce. There's 1 each in the bedrooms, which again, when there's 2 of you, 1 plug between 2 of you, could be a few arguments over the charger. But we've got a little welcome pack. There we go. So we got dishcloth, or tea towel, dishcloth, little scrubber, and some washing up liquid. Now, depending on how much you're going to use the apartment, ain't going to last you a week. It's not the best, but it's a good little gift. It gets you going. This is good enough. Saves you having to bring one. Same with the scrubber. It helps. You know, we find, if anything, if we're going to do lots, the only thing we have to buy is more washing up liquid, but you can't argue that. Got your kettle, toaster, a clean kettle. That's good, that is. Can't complain at that. Some milk, some tea bags, complimentary tea bags, some sugar, but no coffee this time, which is a bit upsetting, but there we go, no coffee. There's your oven. It's clean, a few marks, but you're not going to complain about that. Fridge with your freezer, again, nice and clean. There's your fridge. Oh, wine. Oh, how did that get in there? Close that up. How did that get in there? Finally, that brings us to the bathroom, so we'll have a look in here. So we'll put the light on. So there's a towel rail, button 2 for the towel rail. So this is quite a standard Butlins bedroom, so depending on where you're staying, these are quite common. So you've got your sink, toilet, and a shower. Not the biggest, but you'll fit in it. You'll have a shower, you'll have a wash. No problems. Shower looks fairly new. And a nice big mirror, which is actually pretty clean. And then your welcome soap, some toilet roll. Again, everything you need there. You know, you can't go wrong. And that's it. So thoughts. It's pretty standard for Butlins. You know, it's for what you're paying, you don't mind. You know, people who are a bit fussy, I would go elsewhere. If you can, you know, let a few stains go and little bits and bobs like that, then it's great. You know, it's your value is not in your accommodation, it's in the entertainment and the facilities that you've got here. So as long as you don't mind that, you'll be fine. The only thing I could ask is plugs, just two plugs in the bedroom. So if you come in, you might want to think about bringing yourself a multi-adapter or something, and then you can all plug in together then. Like I say, 2 adults in a bedroom with 1 charger is a bit difficult to get all your phones charged up and your devices charged and kids' tablets or whatever you've got along with you. But generally it's clean, you know, apart from a few bits on the bedding, but hopefully that's just come out of the laundry like that. But you know, it's pretty acceptable. The cleaners do a great job here. You know, they've got a lot of cleaning to do, and they ain't got a lot of time to do it. I think they do a good job. So that's my thoughts. Let me know what you think down below. Would you stay in here? You know, bear in mind this is the old gold apartment, which they're now rebranding. I think it's Comfort Plus now. You get towels, a TV in the bedroom. I can't work out as well if it's slightly bigger than the cheapest rooms. It feels a little bit bigger, but then I don't know if that's just Skegness. I'm used to Minehead, and sorry, I don't know if it's just Bognor. I'm used to Minehead and I've been to Skegness. So you guys let me know what you think down below. Would you stay here? I'll let you know what I've paid at the end. I'll put the price up for you, and you tell me what you think. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.